one of the farms, the organic produce farms here in Pelham, Alabama. Robbin is the owner of this farm. It is awesome. Back there you can see my lovely wife and my kids. We're all just hanging out here for the day, just seeing everything and what she has. She has some amazing raised beds here that she used to produce or to create produce for a CSA box that goes out on a co-op to different people with vegetables and fruits and everything else, which is fantastic, man. She's contributing to the community. It's really awesome and a very, very and even in a profitable way. It's just a fantastic thing to do. But she also has a nonprofit for special ed children and special ed people that just need a purpose in their life, something to do, and they come and help in the garden, which is just awesome. She does all that for them, and they get to experience just an amazing thing. Right behind me here is the property that she is going to let us do some awesome permaculture design on. We're also going to increase the diversity within this organic farm. We're gonna help her do some things. She's looking to create a healing center up here on the hill. There is a house back here that we're gonna be just transforming the way this land operates and does some things to create an awesome beneficial ecosystem for this property here. And Robin's all on board. She's super excited, but stay tuned, and you know what, click down below on the donate button to donate towards this project. If you live in this local area, sign up for the CSA box. You can get in touch with Robbin. I'll put her info on the website. If you want to call her or talk to her about how she can get some, or how you can get some vegetables from her, or some just fresh produce and everything like that that's in season. Guys, we're making it happen. All life is sacred, guys. All life is sacred. And just keep tuned in, man. Keep tuned in for this project. Everything is just going to be super awesome as we continue to transform this planet.